Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Tuesday, February 20, 2024 on our channel. Trane Technologies, EU Parliament and Commission officials and cold chain partners call for accelerated food loss solutions. InterRail offers temperature-controlled rail transports between Europe and Asia. The first installation of BITZER's digital network, BDN, in Ireland is providing high-level monitoring. South Links Foodservice combines carrier Transicold Supra 1150 mount units with eco-drive technology. Colmac Coil provides fluid cooler for NASA JPL Deep Space Station 14 antenna. Atmosphere America Summit 2024. Christian Strand unveils Danfoss Vision, Pioneer. First news today. Trane Technologies, EU Parliament and Commission officials and AMP, cold chain partners call for accelerated food loss solutions. Trane Technologies, a global climate innovator, co-developed a roundtable event at the European Parliament on advancing food loss technologies and policies. The roundtable, hosted by member of the European Parliament Ms. Rosa D'Amato MEP and promoted in partnership with Sustainable Development Policy Institute Compete, addressed the global impact of food loss and the technologies and solutions required to reduce loss and waste across the food chain. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. InterRail offers temperature-controlled rail transports between Europe and Asia. The Swiss InterRail Group successfully carried out its first reefer container transports between Asia and Europe last year. This year, the transport company has added temperature-controlled rail transport to its regular range of services. InterRail uses diesel-powered 45-foot pallet-wide reefer containers on the route between Europe and Asia, which can cool or heat independently of the infrastructure on different modes of transport. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. The first installation of BITZER's digital network, BDN, in Ireland is providing high-level monitoring. The first installation of BITZER's digital network, BDN, in Ireland is providing high-level monitoring, system diagnostics and optimization for an award-winning deli food specialist. The BDN system is integrated into a new high-performance low-temperature pack, based on BITZER Ecoline inverter-controlled compressors supplied by RSL Ireland Limited. The new refrigeration system replaced two 30-year-old BITZER condensing units and Searle evaporators operating on R404A that had come to the end of their working life. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. South Links Foodservice combines carrier Transicold Supra 1150 mount units with eco-drive technology. South Links Foodservice has taken delivery of two new trucks equipped with carrier Transicold Supra 1150 mount units and the company's first-ever purchase of eco-drive systems. This combination allows the units to run via their diesel engine, or electrically from power derived from the truck engine itself, creating a hybrid configuration that will help the business reduce fuel consumption and improve fleet sustainability. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Colmac Coil provides fluid cooler for NASA JPL Deep Space Station 14 antenna. Colmac Coil is proud to announce a completed project for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, Jet Propulsion Laboratory JPL. Colmac Coil built a specialized replacement fluid cooler for the cooling system of the 70-meter, 230 feet, diameter dish, officially known as Deep Space Station 14, nicknamed Mars Antenna, that's part of the Deep Space Network, DSN, located at its Goldstone site near Barstow, California. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Atmosphere America Summit 2024. Atmosphere America Summit 2024 is set to take place on June 10 to 11 in Washington, D.C. The conference serves as a forum for knowledge, lessons learned and best practice exchanges between industry experts and stakeholders, ensuring discussions and networking opportunities that help disseminate information about natural refrigerant technologies and spur a faster market uptake of these sustainable solutions. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.